heartily welcome you all. This is Karan Rajgopal, and I'm one of the directors at Fabience who's in charge of the production. I would like to take this opportunity to briefly talk about the new facility that is located in Medical Devices Park, which happens to be one of the most advanced industrial parks in the country. It is located only 30 minutes away from Gachipoli and 45 minutes away from the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. As you all have seen in the AV, the facility happens to be one of the largest modular manufacturing units in Asia with advanced machinery imported from Europe. Fabience would continue its unique and effective approach towards its clients, which involves complete transparency with them. To elaborate further, the client is invited to the manufacturing facility to witness the start to finish manufacturing processes that are employed in producing the final products. In addition to this, the clients would also get a complete sense of the exceptional and finest raw materials that are being used. Some customers that are highly passionate and intrusive, we encourage them to be present at the factory when their products are being made. This happens to be one of the first furniture-based companies to use this kind of a method to interact with the clients. We also employ state-of-the-art software for design, renders, costing, and the entire production. Furthermore, numerous college students and recent graduates from various majors have visited our manufacturing facility to gain extensive knowledge on the know-how of the operations. I'd like to conclude by saying that at Fabience, we believe that educating the customers is as important as selling the product. To sum this up, we are not just fulfilling their home requirements, but also selling them an experience. This, along with exceptional service and quality, paved way to an increase in the demand for our products over a limited period of time. Thank you all for your time.
Good afternoon and a warm welcome to all of you. I am Sandeep Polsani, Director at Fabience, heading post-installation operations. I would like to start off by saying that our company ethos is based primarily on customer satisfaction and making it a top priority to meet their needs post-installation process as well. So far you have heard about the production processes by our director, Mr. Karan. I would like to walk you through the know-how of the post-production operations. Firstly, our designated team will inspect the site and make sure the site is as per our installation drawings and meeting the requirements. Post this, we make sure the installation process is as seamless as possible. And this includes creating a dust-free and a noise-free environment on site. During installation, the project progress and day-to-day updates are communicated effectively with our clients. We at Fabience truly believe in the process and ensuring that nothing less than perfection is delivered to our clients. Now I would request our MD, Mr. T.R. Venugopal, to address.
My journey in the field of home and office interior design and contracting had very humble beginnings over 30 years ago. With a vision to make it radically easier for people to settle into their homes by designing innovative modular furniture solutions, right from shopping to shipping. The idea of making a physical product brand is appealing to me, and this had led me to structurize and establish Fabience to provide convenient and aesthetically pleasing product to customers. Starting with window coverings and other interior products, my desire was always to give the best to my customers with exceptional buying experience. Our association with very discerning customers in the public sector and multinational companies taught us the value of systems and organized structure. This enabled us to believe and deliver on time. The fit and finish, besides great design and top-notch materials and hardware. Over a period, we were known in the corporate world for our commitment, be it the quality of materials, system, design software, or safety. So much so that we were invited to execute some of the largest and prestigious offices in various sectors in the office in Hyderabad and other parts of India. While this was a great going for the company, we were not satisfied as the pace of growth was not as expected. Hence, we wanted to deliver something unique and distinct service to the people of Hyderabad and it to this company. The Indian modular furniture industry is pegged at 2,56,000 crore INR, that's about 32 billion USD. Of this, only 4%, which is around 10,000 crore INR or 130 million USD, comes from organized sector. This includes Indian manufacturers and imports from China and Europe and other parts of the world. You can see the phenomenal scope, and this with a growth of 15% every year. When a whole slew of brand name Italian, German kitchen and wardrobe makers began operations in major cities in India, we always wondered why we need to import fully finished cabinets, install them here without any value addition. This set me and my team thinking, and we set off on an almost 2 years trip to learn how to make the great stuff exceptional. We hired the best consultants in India and Europe and toured the length and breadth of Europe, from the Nordic states of Denmark, Germany, Poland, Sweden, and Italy to the Baltic states of Eastern Europe. The learning experience was incredible, and our team's visible excitement was translated into a state-of-art 22,000 square feet factory on the outskirts of Hyderabad 3 years ago. For every process in making kitchen and wardrobe cabinets, we got the best CNC machines from Europe's best manufacturers, raw materials and hardware sourced from the best brands in the world. For example, we got birch plywood from the Baltic states, which is now a benchmark in India for durable and top-end kitchen and wardrobes cabinets. The material handling and plant layout of the factory, which was on par with any in Europe, ensured that just having the best machines and raw materials will not produce world-class cabinets. The housekeeping, waste management, dust collection, design manufacturing software, and manpower from the industry best also was world-class. As the desire of my team to deliver the best, we built a great experience center, and the design and execution teams were rigorously and meticulously trained to deliver the best experience to our discerning clients. Word got around and spread like wildfire. Our clients, mostly high net worth individuals, loved our world-class products produced in state-of-the-art factory, started talking. On this note, I would like to thank our clientele, architects, and other business associates for making Fabience the brand it is today. At this point of time, we found the present infra could not meet the rise in production demands. This furthered our need for a bigger facility. This prompted us to get in touch with TSIIC for the land. They were kind enough to allot 4 acres of land in the Medical Devices Park situated at Sultanpur on the outskirts of Hyderabad. On this occasion, I wish to thank the Ministry of Industries, Government of Telangana for the most seamless experience right from the allotment of land to sanctioning all mandatory approvals. Without losing my time, without any time, the factory of 150,000 square feet is planned, designed, and it's being under construction now. Beside the size and clean design of the factory, even more sophisticated CNC machines were ordered, including robotic arms for picking and placing. We will also have automated robotic arm contour paint sprayers and the first-in-class nitrogen drying chambers for painted products. To enhance the buying experience, we decided to invest in expensive design manufacturing software, a viewing gallery for the manufacturing, and delightful 10,000 square feet experience center. Our vision, besides offering the ultimate in interiors, is also our social responsibility as a corporate to society in general and our employees in particular. The new facility will be IGBC-Gold certified and zero waste generated plant, slated to be up and running by the year end. Will generate an added employment of 170, thus the total number of staff will be 300. Plans include unbelievably affordable top-end kitchens and wardrobes for the knowledgeable middle class and also exports developed countries. All of this can only happen with our people and happy people. Increasing the happiness and sense of belonging factor of our employees is what we aim for with great landscaping, rest and dining facilities, creche, gym, a medical room in the factory and education for children, and a 5-storied 50,000 square feet living quarters known as Living at Fabience. Thank you all. Thank you once again.